Well, the COVID-19 pandemic has clearly exposed the rural health infrastructure and how this infrastructure has been crumbling for quite some time now. What we are going to in fact expose through our stories and our ground reports are some private hospitals as well. Even in such trying times, some hospitals are looting COVID patients by charging exorbitant amounts for their treatment, while governments in Maharashtra and Karnataka have stepped up action against such exploitation. In Telangana, the High Court had to step in to remind the KCR government of its failure to cap the skyrocketing prices by private hospitals. In Bengaluru, a few private hospitals are charging exorbitant rates for providing oxygen to patients on an hourly basis. This despite that the state government's rule that patients referred to private hospitals under the government quota are not supposed to pay for their treatment. Yet hospitals are charging patients anywhere between 1,000 to 2,000 rupees per hour for oxygen. The Karnataka government has warned of suspending the license of such hospitals. In fact, government nodal officers visited one such hospital asking as to why they had not responded to the show cause notice.
We from suo motu we have taken action against that hospital and we have issued SCN because we came to know and we have a copy of the bill that they are charging 1,000 per hour. That is exorbitant and atrocious. And apart from that, what they are doing that for ICU beds, instead of 15,000, 30,000, I have seen that in that bill, 30,000 they have charged. And apart from that, D-dimer test, that is some blood test also. So randomly they are taking money. For someone they are charging 1,500, for others they are charging like 2,000. Some for others it is 1,000. So there is variation even in the bill with regard to blood tests. So in this regard, we have issued them SCN and we have told them, our team, they have conducted an inquiry and they found out that a lot of people, they have been charged like this. So we have directed them to refund the money, but till now they have not started any process of refund. So to go and see, and we'll see that what if they refuse to comply with our directions, what legal action can be initiated against them.
Mirror Now's Neha Hebbale reached out to one such private hospital to check on why this kind of overcharging is taking place. The hospitals deny the allegations. Let's listen in.
As shocking as it may seem, several private hospitals in Bengaluru have been fleecing patients in the name of oxygen. Now, these are patients who have been referred by the government to private hospitals and they're being charged nearly 1,000 to 1,500 per hour of oxygen. One such instance comes from the Comfort Hospital over here in Bengaluru, which is a multi-specialty hospital. This hospital has in fact charged a patient nearly about 84,000 rupees for 84 hours of oxygen. That's around 1,000 rupees for 1 hour of oxygen. Let's remind you that this was a patient who was referred by the government to this private hospital, and the patients who've been referred by the government aren't supposed to be paying a single penny to any private hospital. Now, what's most unfortunate is that, of course, this hospital has been issued a show cause notice, but when we reached out to the owner of the hospital, she's gone on to deny all the charges. And this is pretty much the situation in many other private hospitals across Bengaluru as well. The government, of course, has promised action at this point in time, but we'll have to wait and see beyond a mere show cause notice whether or not, like the health minister promised, the license of this hospital is snatched or not.
As Telangana private hospitals continue to charge hefty amounts for treating COVID patients, the High Court pulled up the ruling KCR government for failing to cap the fees that is being charged by private entities. Remember, on the 18th of May, the High Court had directed the state government to issue a fresh government order revising the charges for the routine ward, the oxygen beds, the ICU beds, the ventilator beds in private hospitals and nursing homes. So in Telangana as well, this has become an issue of concern, not just in Karnataka. Acting on 174 complaints of excess charges and mismanagement, Department of Health and Family Welfare have so far issued show cause notices to 113 hospitals and barred 16 hospitals from treating COVID patients. That's the information coming out of Telangana, where exploiting the situation, private hospitals are overcharging patients.